What's going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. The time is 9:27 Eastern, so we got about 3 minutes before the market opens. In front of me, I got two charts. One on the left is the Nasdaq, and on the right is the S&P 500. I like to trade on a 5-minute chart. I just like to come in the market, grab our money and get out. So our daily profit is anywhere from $200 to $400. We can do that consistently. We can do about $1,000 a week. We've been doing more than that, but that's what we are trying to do. Sorry about that. And so again, guys, in front of me, you got the two charts, 5 minutes. You can see, guys, here that the market is bullish. It's going up. It's been going up and up and up. So right now, what we are doing, we're gonna wait for is, so we have our resistance right here. So we touch resistance, and it seems like right now it's coming back from resistance on the Nasdaq. So what I'm gonna have to wait for once the market opens is to see if it breaks resistance to the upside. If it does, and the candle closes below, above, then resistance becomes support, and then we can take the trade at support to the upside. But if this candle closes red, the next candle opens, goes up, touches back resistance, but it doesn't break it, then more unlikely the market is going to do a drop to the next support line. So that's what we are going to be looking for. Same thing with the S&P. Market is bullish. It's the same thing. You see this high spike over here, and then market drop, and it hasn't gone up back there. So basically, guys, we're just gonna wait. We got about 30 seconds before market opens. We're gonna see what this candle, where it closes. So if it closes there on red, more than likely the next candle will open, go touch the resistance, and then continue down. Same thing with the S&P. So we're just gonna wait, see what the market does, and then once we see an opportunity, we'll take the trade. We're gonna put an order.
Order submitted.
To buy. Gonna let the market do its thing. We're just gonna watch it. But you guys can see the overall trend is bullish. So it's always good to trade with the trend. So market open here, there was a big candle. This retracement right here, this is what should have been our entry at the beginning. Didn't take that. So now because it's alright, so we got stopped. You can see, guys, there, $400. Look at that, it's a big candle right there. So now I'm gonna wait. This indication that now the market's gonna drop. So now what I can do, I'm gonna do a sell. Order.
Order submitted.
Alright guys, I'm gonna do my
order submitted. Order filled.
Alright guys, I got filled. Maybe that was too soon. Alright guys, let's just do the break even plus one. we'll take that loss, guys.
Stop film.
Damn. Alright guys, so we're back at 380. We were way down here. We should have closed that trade, made our money back. I think it was like made our money back plus probably like $100.
Order filled.
Good guys, so I'm gonna do this one more time. Whoa. Alright guys.
Stop film.
$6.35 guys. Remember the lesson here. And again, like it touched that and now it's gonna go low. I just should have. Alright, I'm not even gonna explain, but the lesson here, guys, is we could have avoided this. We had that second trade. We should have closed it. So we could have, we could do a break even. Took my chance of letting the market hit my target profit. It didn't. And so now we took a third trade, which is something you don't want to do because this is what can happen. But the lesson here, guys, is do not overtrade, do not do revenge trading. It's the worst thing you can do because then now you're turning to gamble, and if you're gambling, this is what's gonna happen. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Tomorrow's gonna be another day. We'll come back and we'll try to make this money back and close the week in positive numbers. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.